Have you ever had that feeling? That moment on a long drive, with the people you love most, when you realize, you're not just traveling to a place, you're already home. That the adventure isn't just outside the window, it's all around you, in this little space on wheels. But then, reality creeps in. 5 of you. 1 tiny bathroom. Wet towels everywhere. The nightly shuffle to make beds. And you think, what if it didn't have to be a compromise? What if you could have a motorhome that's compact enough to drive anywhere, sleeps 5 comfortably, and doesn't ask you to give up the simple, glorious luxury of a proper, hot, stand-up shower? What if I told you that motorhome exists? Today, we are stepping inside a vehicle that solves that exact puzzle. This is the Rimor 69P SilverLine. And it's not just a small 5-berth motorhome. It's a small 5-berth motorhome that has a bathroom, with a proper shower cabin. This changes everything. Stick with me, because we're about to tour a masterpiece of intelligent design. Let's start from the outside. The Rimor SilverLine is based on a Fiat Ducato, so it feels familiar, it's easy to drive, and any garage that works on Fiats can help you. But look at this profile. It's compact. That means confidence on narrow roads, fitting into standard parking spots, and lower stress. But the magic trick is in how they've packed this space. See this huge door at the back? That's not just for storage, that's a key part of the sleeping arrangement. And the real headline act is right in the middle of the vehicle. They've dedicated a surprising amount of space to one thing, the bathroom. While others squeeze in a wet room the size of a telephone box, Rimor said, no. Let's do this properly. But we'll get there. Let's go inside, starting at the very back. Welcome to the most versatile room in the house. This is the garage. Heading out on a road trip? This swallows bikes, kayaks, all your gear. But at night, it transforms. With one simple motion, this platform pulls out. And just like that, you have a huge, proper double bed. It's not a makeshift cushion, this is a real, comfortable mattress. Look at the details. You have your own windows with blinds for privacy, your own lighting, your own charging points. For 2 people, this is a fantastic, secluded bedroom. And because it's separate from the main living area, someone can go to sleep early while the others are still up front, watching the stars. No disturbing each other. That's thoughtful design. Now, walk with me. Past the rear room, and here it is. The game changer. Open the door, and breathe out. This is the bathroom. Look at this. This is a dedicated, stand-up shower cabin. With a proper glass door. Not a flimsy curtain that clings to you. Not a toilet you have to stand over. A real shower. You can raise your arms, turn around, actually enjoy it. After a day of hiking, surfing, or just exploring, this isn't a punishment, it's a luxury. They've fitted a swivel cassette toilet to save space, an elegant sink with a proper tap, clever storage for toiletries, a window for light, and a powerful extractor fan. This one room redefines what a small family motorhome can be. It means parents can have privacy and comfort. It means no more queuing for soggy campsite facilities. This bathroom alone is a reason to choose the SilverLine. Moving forward, we reach the heart of the home. This L-shaped sofa is where life happens. Meals, games, planning the next day's adventure. This table isn't fixed, it adjusts up and down. And at night, the whole area converts into another spacious double bed. So now we have the rear double, and this second double. That's 4 adults, comfortable. And above us? The classic cab-over bed. A cozy, single space perfect for a child, or for extra storage if you're a smaller group. That's your 5 berths, 3 distinct sleeping areas. Now, the kitchen. Don't let the compact size fool you. You have a good-sized fridge to keep everything fresh, a 3-burner gas hob for cooking a proper meal, and a sensible sink. My favorite detail? This cover that flips over the sink, giving you a huge, uninterrupted worktop when you need it. It's these little thoughts that make daily living effortless. Up front, you're in a modern Fiat Ducato. It's comfortable, the driving position is great, visibility is excellent, and it's packed with tech for safety and entertainment. But the best part? Glance in your mirror. You're not cut off from your family. The space feels open, light, and connected. You're all on this journey together. So what makes the Rimor 69P SilverLine unique? In the world of compact 5-berth motorhomes, you typically get three things: compromise on storage, compromise on privacy, and a major compromise on the bathroom. The SilverLine rewrites that rulebook. It gives you a massive garage for your stuff. It gives you 3 separate sleeping zones for privacy. And, in a move that still impresses me, it gives you a bathroom with a proper shower cabin. It proves you don't have to choose between a manageable vehicle and a dignified living experience. You really can have it all. This is more than just a vehicle review. It's about a different kind of family travel. The kind where you're free to go anywhere, but you never feel like you've left the comforts of home behind. So I'm curious, what resonates with you the most? Is it the giant garage-turned bedroom? Or is it that incredible, no-compromise shower? Let me know in the comments below, which feature of the Rimor SilverLine would change your road trips the most. If you enjoyed this tour and found it helpful, giving the video a thumbs up really supports what we do here. And if you're passionate about finding the perfect vehicle for your adventures, consider subscribing to Auto Review Pro. We're here to help you find not just a vehicle, but your freedom. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, safe travels, and remember, the best journey is the one where you feel at home, wherever you park it.